Steve Gamache here with a Chef Knives to Go quick look video of the Zakuri Blue No. 1 Nakiri 165mm. This line of hand hammered knives has a core steel of Aogami Blue No. 1 with a heat treat rating. It should be 60 plus. It doesn't specify on the website. The construction of this is carbon cladding over that Blue No. 1 core with a Kurouchi lacquer finish. You can see the Zakuri stamped logo on this knife. The weight of this knife is 5.4 ounces, 154 grams. The blade length is about 168 approximately, 6.6 inches. The overall length is about 12.4 inches. The spine at the base is 3.5 millimeters, which you'd expect for a hand-hammered knife of this type that tapers down as you get towards the tip of the knife. The blade height at the base is in line with a knife of this type, 48.53 millimeters, and the handle is a oval ambidextrous rosewood handle and a plastic ferrule. This particular handle has a full 3-inch circumference versus the 2 3/4 on their Giotto, so larger size feeling handle on this particular model. The profile on this knife is a typical flat Nakiri style profile with a little bit of sweep near the tip, and the grind on this knife is pretty nice for a knife of this style of smithing, and it should have a pretty thin feel behind the edge, which it feels quite thin behind the edge. It should be a pretty good performer in the kitchen. Out of the box edge is pretty good on this, but you'll probably want to sharpen up that carbon and get a screaming edge on that as you can with this type of steel. Balance point on this is pretty much right on a pinch grip at that particular point. You'll probably want to do a little sanding on the choil area and the spine to complete this knife to make it comfortable for your liking. So there you have the Zakuri Blue No. 1 Nakiri 165mm.